Hi you guys, this is Jane. I am back. This is table automatic mahjong table, which is 36 mm American Mahjong, number tiles, foldable style with two sets of tiles, one blue and one green. I'm extremely excited. See the microphone? We also do karaoke. So there's the blue tiles, nice quality, and the fun thing is wait for it, it's gonna come. This is automatic. You actually don't need to do anything manually because this table is going to do it for you. One press button, and here you go. Voila! It's the green tiles. Very versatile, convenient design, exquisite and durable tiles measuring 35.5 mm, about 1.4 inch in height, and 25 mm, about 0.98 in length, and 18 mm, about 0.71 inch in width. These tiles is very comfortable, easy grip during playing with family and friends. And we do love getting together besides singing karaoke, mahjong. What else is better than that? Even so, we actually go outdoor, which is camping. We do play mahjong, but indoor, you could actually use it outdoor with card covered. Make sure it doesn't actually get wet because you need to plug it in. Voila! And now this is the blue. You need to plug in. This is not a Bluetooth type of mahjong table. It's a little heavy on the side, at least for me, because I'm not strong. But I love it. It has different colors and different sizes, and this is 36 tiles. And the good thing though, it's automatic. It's a very exquisitely made. And read the reviews. It has amazing reviews, 4.5 stars. And my friends, we play until the next day, you guys. The mail paying cards and then Swissage, or whatever you guys preferred. But we do love a playing mahjong. It's not heavy, nice quality tiles, and as you can see, it's made up in a nice quality of material. And attached to the base, connect all tap 4 frame bars. I didn't actually take the video of how you put it together, but there's a very specific directions that you can follow. You could store in living room, family room, cruise outdoor, and it's amazing how they made it. It's just the material is not cheesy, at least for me. Read the reviews, it's so fun, and you're gonna have a blast with your family and friends. And grab yours. You will never gonna regret getting this automatic mahjong table mahjong.